I'm going to tell you how to make print settings on a Canon PIXMA series printer. First, press the Windows Start button in your keyboard. Then click on the settings icon. Then click on the devices icon. Then go to the printers and scanners option on the left side. The list will show you the printer you have installed in the next window. Click on your printer name. Then click on the Manage button. Click on Printing Preference below to get the printer settings. The window you see now has 4 tabs. They are Quick Setup, Main, Page Setup, Maintenance. Quick Setup has settings that we can easily do. The first commonly used settings are Standard, Photo Printing, Business Document, Paper Saving and Envelope settings. Let us select the settings according to our usage. Standard means it can be used for all types of prints. That is a default option. Now if we want to print on a glossy paper, we can select the photo printing option. Normally everyone uses standard print. After selecting the setting, save it. Then there is the additional feature of duplex printing, which is for taking double-sided print. Just turn it on when needed. If you want to print faster, select the draft option. Next is the media type. This option can be selected according to the paper we are using. This is the same for common settings. Use standard print quality by default. Select draft for faster printing. Next to paper size, this is an A4 printer, so it is still a good idea to select paper size A4. The size of the paper can be changed as per your requirement. Then select the paper orientation. A4 paper is usually placed in portrait mode. So select portrait. Next is the tray source. The front tray is the default because the Canon PIXMA 3600 series has a tray, so there is no need to change it. Then apply. Quick setup is now complete. We no longer need to go to the next 2 tabs, because we have done everything in the quick setup. Now we have the maintenance tab. Mainly everyone uses this tab for head cleaning. Cleaning and deep cleaning are both for head cleaning. Next, if there is an alignment problem during printing, the print head can be aligned and checking the nozzle will increase the print quality. Comment for the remaining options. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.